Hello, good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back my vlog, Randy Vlog. So today we are cooking burger. Yes, burger in sauce. Yeah, like that. Okay, burger in sauce. So ganito ang pagluto ng burger sa sauce. We have a homemade bread. Yes, I make this morning this. So we have for the burger sauce, I have burger meat. Okay, I have spearmint or Greek jusmus. I have black pepper, paprika or red pepper, white pepper, onion, chicken cubes, garlic. And I don't have a color pepper like red and yellow, but use this green and tomato sauce. So let's go. Samahan niyo ako sa pagluto. Okay? Let's go. Hey guys, we'll start cooking my burger sauce. So I prepare now my casserole. So I put the oil. Okay. So we put garlic or salty, and then after onion. Oh, smoking. I think it's ready now, guys. The onion and the garlic. So put the burger meat. Yes. 6 pieces burger meat. Yeah. Ayan. Okay. Nice. So cover. So it's ready. So we put now sauce. Yes. So little bit boil. So close again. Yes. So guys, open. Start. Here we go. Green chili. Start to put the ingredients now. Green chili. Nor cubes. Black pepper. Red pepper. White pepper. Yeah. Then cover and cook slowly. Right. Now we put this spearmint. Spearmint in Greek is jusmus. right? So open this and put some spearmint. Yes, this is very good. Without other leaves like what is this? I don't remember now that name. Okay, especially this food. So this is good. I remember, like celery, the other one is called in Greek jusmus, that leaves for these ingredients. But this is very good, this jusmus or spearmint. Now, try to taste now that night. Perfect! Nice! So we cook slowly, slowly until they become thicker, the sauce. Guys, it's ready. It's ready cooked now. My burger sauce. Yes. Wow. This is diet bread. Yes. See? Wow. Mmm. Wow, wow, wow. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribe and like my vlog. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. Hi guys, my bread, homemade bread without oven, only cooking in the pan. So this is my burger sauce, right? Yes, it's very nice. Okay, so let's eat like that. Mmm, yummy, super.